Thank you guys so much for spending the day with us. I can say that I am richer than the owner of Kildare Village for having this village, personal village of mine. For my mom and my dad who traveled all the way from Donegal and cooked. For my sister Diana who traveled all the way from Switzerland. For my twin sister who's always there for me, and her husband, Gerald, Uncle Jeje, as Penny would like to call him. To my sisters, Ate Gwen, Kervin, he's not my sister, he's actually questionable. And to Ate MR, oh my god, MR, I can't do this without you. Thank you so much. Can you give her a big round of applause, please? For coordinating with significance and just to that person, everything. Thank you so much for Ate Gwen and Kervin for hosting, for all the uncles and the ninongs and the ninangs, for my P1 family over here that I'm meeting very, very soon. Thank you guys so much. For my friends, Jonathan's friends as well. To everyone who has taken their time and effort and your generous gifts. I know this time of the year is very busy. And last but not the least, to my husband who is my bank account. Thank you. Because some of you may not know, but I was on unpaid leave for 16 weeks, so I didn't get anything. I was very poor. I still am. But Jonathan supported us literally and financially. And he took on a lot of roles to provide for us. So thank you so much, love, for being our support. I know it's hard to have 3, 4 roles at once, but you did a great job. And happy 1 year to us. And yeah, let's see kung meron pang isa. Pero one thing lang, for tonight. I think but yeah, thank you guys. Again, from the bottom of my heart.